All right, so y'all already know what the day is. Today is Sunday. Video every Sunday. Straight like that. Anyway, nice news week coming up. Um, I think market will move a good amount. It wouldn't be so much stagnant as it was. What was it? Monday through like midway of Wednesday. It wouldn't. I don't think market gonna be stagnant like that on this week coming up. So S&P Global Manufacturing PMI Tuesday, Powell speak also on Tuesday. Durable goods, and then GDP. GDP. What is GDP? Gross domestic product. GDP, gross domestic product, and then Friday for PCE. But the two notable, well, the most notable that I see is GDP, gross domestic product, quarter 2. So forecast 3.3, and I believe if it's over, it's good. Anyway, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Boom, the earnings for this week. AutoZone, MU, after hours. What else do I see? I can't. Intel, Centus, like that. I think they make chips or something. I seen this logo somewhere. Anyway, CarMax, Costco, BlackBerry. That's about it. No crazy names. Oh, except for MU and Costco. I think Costco is like $1,000 stock. Anyway, with that being said, Reddit has a very nice art. Anyway, Spy. What did Spy do last week? Spy moved up even higher. Spy moved up even higher. um, what else can I say? New all-time highs again. Really, honestly, yeah, we're gonna keep going up, but eventually that pullback is gonna happen. 10%, maybe 8%, maybe 10%. And yeah, also I did see this out the 4 hour. It looked like bearish divergence forming, but it is out the 4 hour. So once we get some more days in on the daily, I mean some candles, some days in on the daily, whatever, however you want to put it, candles, more wicks. What am I trying to say? More candles on the daily. Maybe we can see some bearish divergence. Yeah, straight like that, straight like that, straight like that. But anyway, with that being said, we moved higher, and with that, I do want to see a 657 bounce straight like that. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. Like it's no. Feel me? I think off the 4 hour, it made a little flag. Boom! It broke, kinda ish. It broke. Then this candle came back. That was pre-market. Boom! Came down. Went up, and 664 is resistance as of right now. Straight like that. Q's, Q. Same thing on Q's. I don't see no bears. Well, yeah, bearish divergence. I actually see head and shoulders, like head and shoulders to me. Definitely head and shoulders pattern. But it is off the 4 hour, almost like a triple bottom since August 4th. It's off the daily. Uh, but anyway, what am I seeing? I'm seeing Q's 595, 595. In between these levels, 595, 593. Really find the 595, 594. That's what I'm seeing for a little pullback to go higher. Yeah, video. What am I seeing on the video? Oh, in the video. Is it out the floor? Oh, no, daily. Daily. Oh yeah, daily isn't the video. No, on the daily, on the RSI in the video, it's been going down. The video has not really cleared above 177. Yeah. The video has not cleared above 177. I'm thinking possibly if the video can build above 177, 178, get above 178, possibly could see 180. But these candles have to close up there. It's not candle wicks. And yeah, that's what I'm seeing for real. Nothing crazy. Well, yeah, nothing crazy. Nothing astronomical. But build above 177, 178 for reject to go lower. Those two levels, 177, 178. Yeah. qcom. qcom, I think I looked at this off the daily. qcom broke. Boom. qcom came down. It bounced off this level. 145 came up, bounced off 153. Retested 153. Broke, retest, boom, went higher. It stayed in its zone for a little minute. It is wick, boom, and it just broke just recently, just this week on Tuesday. Tuesday it broke. So I'm thinking if we can get a retest of 163, that'd be nice. 163 retest would be nice. We can probably hold until 175. That's what I'm thinking on qcom. Chart look pretty decent. I think a build above 175, like a 175 hold, qcom would look nice. But yeah, definitely, I believe in the long term, qcom would definitely go back to the all-time highs, without a doubt. Yeah, what do we have next? Starbucks. Got Starbucks next. Boom, Starbucks. I seen this little downtrend on Starbucks. Boom. So I seen this break under this level. At first it was holding. Boom, one hold. Boom, two hold. Also resistance right around here. And it was just in this channel. It was in this channel. So boom, one tap, two tap. Then it broke. So maybe we can get a retest at 86. What I'm thinking on Starbucks, and retest, and if it rejects 86, we can see 77. That's what I'm thinking. That trend line is very old. I don't know how old that trend line is. It's very old. I can tell by the color. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking on Starbucks. Straight like that. That's 5. Oh, boom. SoFi. Bonus. SoFi. I have been doing a lot of research. Like, what is it called? EPS, earnings per share. Trying to get better with stuff like that, like the real fundamentals. And also like PE ratio, stuff like that. But honestly, I'm thinking SoFi can go. Like, SoFi is the future almost. SoFi, Robinhood, for a pullback would be very, very, very nice. I have 18 on SoFi, which is $11 as a where it's at right now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. This just bonus long term, very long term. These are leaps that I'm talking about on SoFi and Robinhood. What I'm talking about, leap. So yeah, straight like that. I don't have no more rep. Changes will be made. Changes are already being made, and yeah, more swinging on the way. But sometimes you're not gonna always have time for the day trading. Understood. But yeah, that's in the video. Go drink you some water. Go read a book straight like that. Glee.